Today's Red Zone weather forecast is sponsored by RedZone Group LLC. Nice, sunny, warm, and dry, all adjectives that describe our weather forecast. Basically, over the next week, it's going to be quite nice today. High temperatures peak around 85 in most spots across South Alabama. Tonight, more of the same, clear skies, overnight lows right around 58. We are watching a system in the tropics. This is a quantitative precipitation forecast valid for the next 7 days. And you see all these bright colors off the Atlantic coast of Florida, Georgia, and South Carolina, indicating a lot of rainfall possible off the shoreline there over the next several days. The National Hurricane Center is giving this area a 30% chance of developing into a tropical depression or tropical storm over the next 5 days. Here's a few weather models showing the potential event of developing tropical storm being shown by the Global Forecast System. This is valid on Friday at 10 p.m. local time, and the model really kind of collapses the system by the weekend. So the good news is we're not forecasting a hurricane or anything of that magnitude. The North American model also showing this developing tropical system north of the Bahamas, east of the South Carolina, Georgia, and Florida coast, and ultimately it also collapses the system as it drifts off to the northeast by the weekend. Bottom line, local impacts will be virtually non-existent for South Alabama, but we did want you to be aware of it. We give it a 30% chance of developing into a tropical depression or tropical storm over the next few days, and hurricane season, of course, officially starts on June 1st. Could we have an early season tropical storm? Yes. Is it likely at this point? No. It is essential, though, to have that hurricane preparation kit, and we'll be talking about that more in the coming weeks. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast, and it's pretty much all sun over the next 7 days. Afternoon highs going to peak in the mid to upper 80s with morning lows down around 60. Be sure to check out Red Zone Weather on social media. I'm Spinks Megginson, and this has been your Red Zone Weather forecast sponsored by RedZone Group LLC.